Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up parental controls on Nintendo Switch Lite without using any smartphone device. And to do this, we'll need to open a system settings. You might need to click on a home first. So click right here, then enter A, and now let's scroll down to parental controls. Click on OK, go for parental control settings. And right here, you can click on X, I don't have a smart device. That way you'll be able to set up the parental controls without any smartphone, but you will lose some features like set up playtime limit, set up playtime alarm, check play activities such as played software titles and time spent playing. Now let's click on the next. From here you can change restriction levels from teen, pre-teen, child or custom settings. I would suggest to go for custom settings, and here you'll be able to adjust each of the settings precisely. So restricted software, you can change the age type for it, so depends on what parental controls you want to set. Let's go for 6 years old. So now if your child will try to play any software with 6+, everything above 6+ won't be available. Here we have software rating organization, and you can change it to a different type specifically for region. So let's go for PG Europe. You can also use posting screenshot videos to social media, and you can restrict or unrestrict that. Communicating with others, you can set for restricted or unrestricted. VR mode, 3D visuals, you can also set it to restricted or non-restricted. So now let's go for a next. And here you can set up the pin for your console, and you won't be able to access it without this pin, so make sure that you remember it. I'm gonna go for 0909. Click on OK. 09, oh sorry, let's go B, delete. 0909. So now the setup is complete, and each time somebody tries to access the things that you've set, it will be asked for this pin code that we've just set. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.